Once the information has been verified on the flight plan, we will then go on to the next page, which is the RADNA page. Here, we will set in manually VORs we need for the arrival or for the approach, especially if NAV is required for the approach, such as doing a VOR approach, as well as the course for the VOR. If we are flying an ILS, on the other hand, the ILS will have been auto-tuned on both ILS receiver 1 and 2 from us selecting that we're gonna want to fly into that runway. We selected that when we had the flight plan and arrival. We selected ILS for that runway. That would automatically put in here the ILS identifier with the final approach course. We can change that or set it in manually, and it is auto-tuned on both ILS receivers. The ILS receivers and transceivers does not occupy the band for the VORs, and therefore you're free to set 2 VORs up manually besides that of the ILS. Manual tuning is required to ensure that the navigation system does not auto-tune navigates during the approach. Here I have manually tuned Lima Oscar November on VOR number 1. If I need it, I will set the same on number